if I told you this AI generated doll image you are seeing right here, this one, this, 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 and many more were all generated on ChatGPT for free. And you can also animate them and turn them to a video. Hi guys, my name is Modupe and you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are a new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing. You are welcome to the family. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back. You are the real OG. Like, I am so grateful for you guys. We are about to hit 500 subscribers, guys. Thank you so much. If you are here to subscribe, please click on the subscribe button and turn on notification bell so that you can see anytime I post. So on this channel, I talk about editing tips for beginner content creators. I also bring on here anything that will benefit you. I talk about TikTok monetization too. So please just stay tuned. So in this video, I am going to be showing you how to generate these images for yourself. You can use it to advertise yourself. You can use it to advertise your brand, your business, and anything. And this is really trending right now. And I feel you should up on it if you also want to trend. So I am going to be showing you how to generate it, the prompts you are going to be using to generate it on ChatGPT, and how to also turn it into a video. So to generate this AI doll packaging effect, you just need prompt. It is so easy. It's just, you need just 2 steps to achieve this. The only thing is the prompt. That's what people are hiding from you, and I'm going to be supplying you. I'm going to be giving you the prompts for free. The one you are going to use to generate the image, and the one you are going to use to generate the video, and you are getting it for free. Yes, you don't need to pay on any app. It is on the free version of ChatGPT, and the other one you are going to use to convert it to image too. So I am going to be showing my screen right now. You know the way I do it. I show all the workings. So I'm going to be sharing my screen to show you how you are going to go about it. I'm going to be reading out the prompt, and if you also need me to send the prompt to you, or let me just say I'll put it in the description of this video so that you can just copy and paste it. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
Okay, so guys, the first thing we are going to do is to head over to ChatGPT to generate our image. And you don't need a pro version of ChatGPT to do this. You only need the free version. So the first thing you are going to do is you are going to click on this plus sign, then you pick your image, the picture you want to use as a reference, your own picture. So the next thing for us to do now is to add the prompts for ChatGPT to generate the image. Now, this is the prompt I am going to be using. You can customize it. I'm going to be attaching the prompt to my description. So this is it. Create a collectible doll figure using a picture I attached as a reference. The doll is a retail style package labeled video editor. So in that place you can put your own name, you can put whatever you want, and I'll just attach this prompt in my description. So do where to check the description of this video so that you can copy it. So all the ones that I put, the melanin techie, you just put your own name. Then where you have to add accessories, that I put MacBook, tripod, photography light, you just add the accessories you want to use. So you can even customize the kind of outfit you want to even wear. Just make sure you put everything you want in the prompt. I'm going to be attaching it in the description. So you just input your own stuff on it. Now you just send it like this after you've written everything. Now this is where the problem lies. Some people are not patient and they will think this thing is not working. sometimes it takes like 10 to 15 minutes. Yes, so you just have to wait. The good part of it is you can even minimize it and start doing some other things, so you can come back later, maybe after like 10 minutes, to come and check it. So after ChatGPT has generated the image like this, can you see how beautiful this picture is? Like, it's really nice. So to some extent, it actually copied the picture I used as a reference. Can you see? Yeah, I don't expect it to look exactly like me. You can even regenerate the image if you don't like the first one. So after you've done this, you just save it to your phone. Now the next thing we are going to do is to animate it, to turn it into a video. If you've seen one of my previous videos where I talked about how to generate expressive AI avatar, you will know the website I used for it. So this is the same website we are going to be using. So you just save this picture and you go to this website called clingai.com. So that's the website we are going to be using to turn it into a video. Now this is the website. So once you get here, you move to this video. Can you see this video icon? You tap on it, then you get to this interface. Then to pick the picture, you're going to click on select file to take you to your gallery. Then you're going to pick your AI image. So after picking it, you can see this box down here on the prompt. This is where you are going to write the prompt. So the prompt you are going to be putting here is basically what you want the doll to perform. So you can see here I said the figure steps out of her packaging, turns and grab the phone, and begins walking forward elegantly and typing on the phone. As she moves forward, the camera gradually pulls away, synchronized with her movement. Now you can put anything you like, just any action you want it to do, just put it there. That's one beautiful thing about the site. Just type anything and you can decide to use this one too. So but just make sure you add this ending, this part that says the camera gradually pulls away, synchronized with our movement. Make sure you put it. I'm also going to be adding this prompt to the description box. So after this, what you do next is you're going to be changing this 5 seconds. Can you see 5 seconds down here? You're going to change it to 10 seconds so that the video can be a bit longer. So we are going to be using 40 points to generate this video, and I think per day they used to give 100 to 150 points. So you click on generate, and after that all you need is to wait. So you need to wait for about 10, 15, or even 30 minutes for this one, because we are also using the free version. So you just wait till the video is generated.
So guys, that is how to generate your AI image and also turn it into a video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also share it, and please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you get a notification anytime I post. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.